Let's unbox my PR package from Trio Beauty. First, we have the Brow Trio Stencil Kit. It includes 12 stencils, brow pomade, and a sponge brush. Next is the Cloud Stick Trio. I'm super excited to try these. It includes a blush that adds a rosy flush, a highlighter that adds luminosity, and a bronzer that adds sun-kissed warmth. And they're the perfect travel size. And then the Cloud Blend Blending Brush. Thank you, Trio Beauty. I can't wait to try all of it. And as soon as I do, I'll make sure to share it with all of you.